Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning, people. How are you? It is Tuesday. It is the 15th of February. As always, guys, we're going to look at yesterday's trades from Monday, first of all. And we had two potential trades yesterday that we can review. The New Zealand against the US dollar and the euro against the US dollar. So this is the first one, guys. This is New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. This was the day chart. And you remember we were looking at this candle here. It bounced off some highs over here. Yeah, so it bounced off this support, now becomes resistance. We took it down. We had this red candle form yesterday. So I think we could take it back down to this blue line. Okay, and that's exactly what happened. Okay, let's look at H1 to see if we could get in on the trade. As you can see, guys, price did just touch our grey zone, okay? And then, like I say, I'm always looking to look at a candle that tells me that sellers are in control, okay? So we had this candle, okay? This told me that sellers were in control, but if you look at this candle, guys, it happened at 1 o'clock in the morning, and it doesn't give us a risk to reward of 1:1. Yeah, I'd have to put my stop at least here, okay? And this distance here is too much risk for too little reward, okay? So for me, I couldn't get into this trade for those reasons, all right? But the direction was good. Yeah, the direction was good. We just didn't get a retrace or enough value to enter the trade. Okay, next one. The next one was this, the euro against the US dollar. So remember, we were looking at US dollar strength, and sure enough, again, we had this large red candle. So our prediction was to take price back down to this blue line, and that's exactly what happened again. Okay, but let's look at H1 to see if it retraced. So yeah, again, guys, a little bit frustrating because it didn't quite, just here, it didn't quite hit our grey zone, okay? And we didn't really have a candlestick pattern form, until this candle tells me that sellers are in control. But by this time, it had hit our blue daily target, so we're out, yeah? So again, guys, didn't take this trade, didn't give me a setup. Remember, no setup, no trade. But again, the direction was good down to this blue line. All right, so yeah, those were the two trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today now, guys. Okay, so trading ideas for today, Tuesday the 15th of February. We only have one trade idea, guys. I looked through all 28 currency pairs, and this is the only one that I think it has some potential. And it is the pound against the Canadian dollar, okay? And we are looking to short this market. Yeah, as you can see, we had this bearish candlestick pattern form, okay? So I think we can take price back down to this blue line here at 7152. Okay, so shorting this down to the blue line, guys. Let's look at H1 for execution. So we've got a couple of grey zones, guys. All right, so what we want to see is price, firstly, it could retrace up into this grey zone, and then we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern form. Okay, if you don't know what bearish or bullish candlestick patterns are, guys, then please check out some of my tutorials. Okay, but yeah, we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern. Then we can firstly take price down to this, the last H1 low. This is always our first target. as long as we get a risk to reward of 1:1, and then we can close 80% of the trade and then let 20% of the trade run down to the blue line. Okay, if that doesn't happen, price could retrace further, could retrace up into this grey zone, and then again we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern. First of all, take price back down to these lows and then leave 20% on the trade back down to the blue line. All right, so yeah, pound against the Canadian dollar. This is the only trade idea for today, and we are shorting this market. Right, let's have a look and see what's happening in the news. So guys, before I start the news, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis and would like to support the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button. That way you'll receive this morning analysis every single day. All right guys, so go ahead and do that. Right, so the news at 12:30, yeah, these are all GMT times. 12:30, we have some meeting minutes coming out of Australia, so this could move any Aussie dollar pair. At 7 o'clock GMT, we have some data coming out of the UK. We've got some average earnings and some claimant count change. So that can affect any pound pair, guys. 10 o'clock GMT, we have some economic sentiment coming out of Germany, another 3-star rating, so that could affect any euro pair. We also have some GDP figures, only 2-star ratings, but worth keeping an eye on these. And the last piece of news we're interested in today is this. At 1:30 GMT, coming out of the US, we've got some PPI, so some inflation data, really. Okay, so yeah, that's the news for today, guys. If you've enjoyed this daily morning analysis, then please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. I hope you have a wonderful trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.